Hey guys, it's Maxine. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be another fun color block bang video. We're actually going to be color block banging the front of her hair, and we're going to be coloring it teal. So it's going to be a fun one, and I love these color block bangs. Like, I love when my clients want some crazy chunk of something, so it's a lot of fun. It changes it up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more color videos in the future, and give this video a thumbs up if you like these, and definitely turn on your post notifications so that you're always notified every time I upload a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's at Maxine Glynn. Everything is listed in the description, and I'll also link some of my other color block bang videos in the description also if you want to check that out. So yeah, if you guys want to stick around and watch me do this blue color block bang video, then definitely keep watching. I'm just going in with Light Master, Matrix Light Master 20 volume, and I'm just putting this all over her ends. I sectioned out this very front chunk, which is where I want this color block bang to be. And yeah, so I sectioned out the front, and I'm just putting this on the very ends, just leaving it off the root about a ½ inch, like your typical application when you know the roots are going to be taking a lot faster, because that's why we're putting this on the ends first. The scalp has all of the heat on it, you know, so you definitely want to leave this off of the roots. You want to give like the ends a chance to get blonde before you put this on the roots, because if once we put this on the roots, it's gonna get blonde in 2 seconds, you know. So I'm putting this on all of the front and just leaving it off of the scalp about a ½ inch, and I'm gonna let that get to about a dark blonde. Once that's at like a level 7 dark blonde, then you can go ahead and paint it on all of the roots. So this is the same thing, 20 volume, Light Master, and you see The very ends are now about a level 7. It still has orange tones in it. It's not at that pale yellow yet, so you definitely want to start applying the root when this is still looking nice and orange, like a gold, and yeah, it'll all catch up and it'll all process at the same time. So I'm just flipping through each piece and adding the lightener onto the root, trying to be very careful and not getting this on any of the dark, you know what I mean, dark brown hair. But yeah, so it all processed to a nice pale yellow. This is perfect. It's not as, like, this could even get lighter if I let it sit on. I did put it under heat for a couple of minutes, but basically I let it sit on for as long as possible because I didn't need to have it get too light, you know. I mean, I was adding blue on it. So then on dry hair, I washed it and I dried it. I put So Color Cult, which is also Matrix, in the dusty teal in the demi, and this is the result. This is how it came out. Like a nice blue color. Absolutely love it. Like I said, it didn't have to get crazy pale yellow, you know what I mean, for this to come out perfect. This is perfect the way it came out. It was super mermaidy. She absolutely loved it. I love teal and blue, so I just like love this so much. And with her brown hair, it looks awesome. We gave her a nice trim, and yeah, this is how the Color Block Bang Blue video came out. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. This was definitely probably the shortest color video ever posted on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I think I left this blue color on for like 15-20 minutes to really process and do its thing, especially it'll last the longest for her too, you know. But yeah, we love how it came out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like watching these color videos, and the Color Block Bang videos are always fun, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more color videos and hair related videos in the future. And follow me on Instagram. It's at Maxine Glynn. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, because it really does help me to make sure you guys are liking the videos that I'm posting and stuff like that. So thumbs up if you like it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break